I want to show you my December daily setup for this year. I'm Emilee, and you've found Emilee's Paper Caper, where we're all about scrapping our stash and getting pages done. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon now. So last year, for around Christmas time, my friend Renee sent me this beautiful album, and it's filled with Christmas themed papers and embellishments. And I decided to go ahead and use this for my December daily this year. I want to decorate the cover and put December daily in the year, and I will be adding more to this, but I wanted to show you what it looks like now before I add my photos and journaling, and then in early January I will do a flip through of the album for you so you can see how it turned out. I love that she's used a 3-ring binder for this and a craft binder cover that's going to be easy to embellish. On the first page, I went ahead and put a mini calendar so that I can refer to this in the future, and it easily marks the album as being for 2021. For each page, she gave me a cutout with the number. So I've gone through and glued those down, and then I started to do my journaling for each day of the month. And then I will add a photo or other embellishment when I complete the album. So for example, on Wednesday the 1st, I went to the office that day, and I also did some coloring in a book full of dots. And I think what I'll do is cut out some of those pages from the coloring book and just glue it here as an example. And then on day 2, we had really mild temperatures for this time of year, and I took a photo on a walk, and I will add it on that page. So I journaled a little bit getting ready to add photos and other embellishments for days 3 and 4. And I'll just go ahead and page through to show you all the really cute elements that she provided to me. This is day 5. I've got some more journaling paper ready to go. Day 6 and 7. Day 8. Aren't these papers just beautiful? I love them. Number 10. Some of the days are in numbers and some of them are written out. I think that's so cute. Day 13 and 14. Day 16, I love all these gifts. And 17. I love the craft paper. I think that's so cool. And I've started to add some little scraps that are from my stash too, and a few stickers. 21, 22, 23. I love these little hot cocoa cups. It's so cute. And 24, 25, 26. Now some people end at Christmas for their December daily, but I like to do the whole month all the way through New Year's Eve. So 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. And then she put in this really cool plaid or flannel kind of pattern. It's vellum. And then there's also some pocket pages in here that I could put photos or pocket cards, and I love them. I'll probably end up dispersing these throughout the album to add photos or memories. Now I also have started putting, this is a Christmas card a friend sent to me, and this was on an envelope, and I just cut it out of the envelope, and because I really thought that family of reindeer was cute. And so I've started to kind of collect some things like that, and I'm keeping it with the book. And as I get through the month, I'll continue to make my journaling and take pictures through the month, and then I will complete the album and again come back and do a flip through so you can see how it turns out. This is a great way to use your stash, and it is also a neat way to stay mindful during the holiday season. The hustle and bustle of the holidays can really cause us to forget and maybe not be as grounded as we'd like to be. So I find that the December Daily is a nice way to do that. Up in the card, I will link to a playlist that shows you my December Dailies from previous years if you want to check out other setups for December Daily albums. Keep on scrapping, everybody.